Okay, so quickly wanted to do this because I'm currently out here in Nelson Bay and I brought my Tesla with me. So the first time I'm gonna have to use the Tesla charger and connect it here and then charge my car. Hopefully it's going to be seamless. I haven't unboxed this, so that's what we're gonna do today. As you can see, sealed, packed and everything. So we have this. That's one. That's two. This is the main cable, as you can see here. There you go. Pretty massive. So yesterday was already too late. It was getting dark and we had to go get dinner. So I'm redoing this again. So everything is unboxed. All I have to do now is connect one of these adapters to the charging brick right here. And then the charging brick would go into the wall outlet that's here, one of these. So I have to see which one of these adapters would fit, because this one right here, this is the 15 amps, and if I can zoom in, it's the 15 amps, and this one right here, the middle one, it's slightly bigger. The 10 amps, which I have right here, if you can see, it's slightly thinner, and it says 10 amps here. So I would need this. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna connect the 10 amps here. Okay, that's connected. Now I'm gonna plug this in. So let's go to the wall outlet. And what we're gonna do here is gonna plug this. Once that's plugged, you can see the Tesla logo light up. Now we're good to plug this one in. So we're gonna come here. We're gonna press on this button. Then it opens up. We put it in the car. And look there. It says charging in 10 minutes. The limit is 79%, so it only has 1% to charge, but yeah. Central mode is also on, and I know that it's not going to use too much power. Yeah, so that's been it. I hadn't unboxed the charger that came in with the car, and I never had to use it because I was always plugging it into the charger that was in my apartment building. But now that we're in Nelson Bay, I actually got to use it, and it's been good. You know, the ability to pretty much charge anywhere there is a wall outlet, that's pretty convenient, especially if you have a home or even an apartment where you can actually plug it into a wall socket. It's easy to charge. That's been really helpful. So yeah, I guess this one is a short one, but thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.